peux essayer de me lancer, voir. C'est tout.
Oups, raté.
Raté.
Encore de la neige. Il neige. Oups.
Encore raté?
Oui.
Raté tout le temps?
Oh non, d'accord.
You want to show some snow?
Il y a de la neige. Hey,
Quoi?
tu m'as lancé une boule de neige.
Yeah. It's forbidden at school.
Il neige.
You know what?
Il
On n'est
neige.
pas à l'école. We're not at school, so we can throw snow.
Il y a une grosse tempête de neige.
Of course, there's a big storm right here. But it's fun. It's really fun. Don't look at what you've seen in Spain. We are properly equipped. Currently, well, I don't have nothing on the head. I don't have my gloves, but usually I have those, and it's not a problem. We don't wear shoes. We wear some big boots. So for driving, it's not the best, but we're geared properly. And on the road, we have the proper equipment that is moving the stock back. So, Léa, ça c'est pas propre. Tu touches pas, c'est pas propre. So, what we're gonna do today, so Léa, you want a snow Pokémon? Tu veux un Pokémon de neige?
Ouais.
Which Pokémon would be the best? Quel Pokémon?
Je connais pas, mais j'en ai un en tête.
There's an EV evolution. Glaceon. Je veux un Glaceon. So, we're gonna open. It's gonna be a big problem because there are too many whites out there.
On va
So.
faire attention pour pas que les paquets s'envolent.
Oh, we're gonna be careful, yeah.
On peut les écraser quelque part.
Oh, sorry. So, that's an ultra prism.
C'est drôle parce qu'il y a juste une caméra. Normalement, il y en a deux, mais là,
Yeah, I'm gonna show it on the front.
Ah, c'est à cause qu'on est dehors.
Yes. So my rev, what is it? I don't even see it properly. What is it? A Shieldon, my rev, Shieldon, and the rare is a Garchomp. Garchomp. Nothing here.
Les cartes où on est là.
I'm gonna put it back like that. Next one, I have my second booster still in Ultra Prism.
Cette fois, je vais vous montrer les cartes en mes mains.
You want to show them?
Ouais.
But we have to read it, and you don't know read yet.
Toi, tu vas dire les noms. Mais moi,
So I have each Rotom.
Puis, oups.
Pull it. See. And what is that? An Araquanid. Araquanid. Sorry for the lighting, but we'd like to show you some outside. And we want you to know snow is great. It's not what you see on television where all the cars are stuck everywhere. Of course, if you don't have snow, usually it could be an issue. But we have snow about 6 months here, so that's we're used to. So I have a reverse Drapion. Can I have a Glaceon for finish? No, what is that? It's a Rampardos.
C'est bien parce qu'on n'avait pas pogné des belles cartes dehors.
Why?
Parce qu'on est dehors.
So,
Il pourrait avoir de la neige qui tombe dessus.
I would like better a beautiful card with a little bit of snow on it than no beautiful card at all. J'aime mieux une belle carte avec un petit peu de neige que pas de belle carte du tout, non?
Ouais.
Okay, so thank you for watching, everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Bye, 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 bye.
And thank you all for your support. Thank you, Ben. See you guys. Bye.